I decided to come back again because yesterday it's actually quite dark. You guys cannot see the full experience for Trafalgar Square. So now it's a daytime and with a good weather, good lighting. Yeah. That's it for this time. So don't forget to like, comment and share. If you'd like to see something in London, just drop me a comment. Let me know which area that you want me to visit. And I post every Tuesday, new video. Next week I'm going to be in Rome. So new content updates coming from Rome after next week. So I hope you guys enjoy my channel, my videos, and I see you again. Bye.